Good night. My name is Alvaro Iván Morales. I am 32 years old. I am from Bogota. At the moment, I am working in Tugo company. This company works with furniture and decoration objects for the houses. I am working in for 9 years, and on other ways, I am the boss in the distribution center in Colombia. My hobbies are extreme sports. I love them. My last vacation, amazing moment in my life. Last year, I traveled to Peru in December. I traveled by plane. I traveled alone. I visit Lima and another important cities in Peru. Besides, I stayed in a hotel. Uh, I did a tour in Peru for 10 days, and the most amazing experience was in plane watching the Nazca line. Um, Besides, as I mentioned before, I love the extreme sports. For that reasons, I practice sandboarding in Huacachina. Finally, I drove a special car to travel around of the desert. The name of the car is Boogie. It has an oasis in middle of the desert. I visit Machu Picchu. The people in Peru love the seafood, and they order for the tourists different dishes with fish, octopus, shrimps, lobsters, and so on. Besides rice, potatoes, salad, and salad. It's a very delicious. Its taste was incredible. I love it. This is another dish. It ate this food that is very delicious too. It had rice, chicken with coconut sauce, um, parsley. Advices to visit Peru. If you can play international roaming, there is an app called Maps.me. You should download this app to have a map about the place that you are going to visit without internet. You should visit Lima, Ballestas Island, the National Park, Ica, Nazca, and Machu Picchu, and the Titicaca Lake. You have to use sunscreen when you visit hot places like Lima, Ica, Nazca. Besides, you have to use comfortable clothes in that places. You must bring water when you visit the desert. If um, if you are going to climb in Huayna Picchu, you must bring a raincoat because it's raining all the time. Visit Peru is a beautiful and amazing place to live incredible adventures and moments. Enjoy it. Thank you.